It's pumpkin spice time. Well, I think people belong in one or two camps. Either camp one, you love pumpkin spice, or camp two, you don't care so much for pumpkin spice. Me myself, I love pumpkin spice. I just can't get enough of it this time of year. I like pumpkin ale. I like pumpkin shots. Last year I think I did pumpkin palooza for a whole week. But today what we're going to do is we are going to make a pumpkin pie moonshine. I've never made this before, but let's give it a try. But first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so you're going to find out this is very simple to make. So I gotta have a pot. Alright, let me bring you down so you can see what we're doing. Okay, so what we want to do is we're going to mix all the ingredients into the pot except for the alcohol. Alright, so let's put the pumpkin in there first. So I'll put the ingredients in the description box. But it's either 2 small cans of pumpkins or one of the large cans. Alright, so here goes our pumpkin. Oh, it smells so good. I just got done making some pumpkin ale and oh, it turned out some fantastic. Alright, so there's the pumpkin. Alright, so what we need next is a half a cup of brown sugar, light or dark, I don't think it matters. So we want a half a cup of brown sugar. So there's a half a cup of that. And we also need 2 tablespoons of a pumpkin spice. You can either make your own. You got ground cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg and cloves. So whatever you decide you want to do. This was already made up, so I need 2 tablespoons of a pumpkin spice. All right, there's 1 and 2. Alright, so that's that. And then what you need is thawed apple juice concentrate. Okay, it's thawed out. I think it's 12 ounces of a concentrate. Alright, there's that. Then I need to, what I want to do, let me put some heat under this. You get that sugar and everything melted up. Don't put your alcohol in yet. Basically what we want to do is just heat this up to a simmer. Almost a simmer. We just want to melt that sugar and stuff. Okay? Oh, it smells so fantastic. Woo! You gotta love pumpkin spice time. Alright, let me let that heat up, then I'll be back. And I think one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw 1 cinnamon stick in there. Just because I want it. Can you have too much cinnamon? I don't think so. Alright, let me let that heat up and I'll be back. Okay, I did add a cup of water to that because I thought it was a little bit on the thick side. And I heated it up to just barely a simmer. barely a simmer, so I know the sugar is melted, that brown sugar that we put in there. Okay, so the next step is we let this cool down, and then we can add our alcohol in. And then we'll put it in jars. That's how easy it is. Okay, so let me let this cool down. And then we'll move on. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so we got all that mixed in, heated up and all that good stuff. Now, what you need now is a quart of good high proof alcohol. Alright, this is about 150 proof, 140, 150. You get that mixed in. Ooh. Looks delicious. The only thing we got left to do now is put it in some jars. Let's see if I can do this without making a big old mess. All right. There's one. Like I said, I think you either love pumpkin spice or you don't. This should be just about like drinking a pumpkin pie. There's two. Probably one more. I don't want that. And one little piece. All right. All right, I'll be right back. All right, now for the best part. Got me some pumpkin pie there. You gotta have some whipped cream on pumpkin pie, right? So let's put a little bit of that on there. Let's give it a try. Woo! That is eating a piece of pumpkin pie with a kick. Wow. Woo! That is good. But I could sure see that would get you into trouble. Now, of course, it would be a lot better ice cold. You store this in the refrigerator. Wow, this will be good. Okay, that's pumpkin spice. Alright, I guess the last thing I gotta say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody.